How to do pulsing lights effect. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to do a pulsing light effect. Click on New button at bottom of project panel and select Adjustment Layer, and click OK. Now drag the adjustment layer above your clip and adjust its length to match your clip. Then go to Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur. Drag and drop Gaussian Blur effect into your adjustment layer. With your adjustment layer selected, go to Effect Controls and under Gaussian Blur, set blurriness to 100 and make sure Repeat Edge Pixels is checked. Now set the blend mode to linear dodge add. Now we have this light glow, but it is not pulsing and we have to change values in time to do that. Place the playhead at the start and set opacity to 0 and click on stopwatch next to it to create a starting keyframe. Then move the playhead a little forward and set opacity to 100 to create the second keyframe. Now select these two keyframes and press Ctrl+C to copy them and move the playhead a little forward and press Ctrl+V to paste them. Do this process for how long you want the effect to continue. Now we have this nice glowing pulsing light effect. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.